Hey everybody, how you doing? It's Junkyard here. Welcome to another episode of Cooking with Junkyard. Today we are cooking fried zucchinis, a quick little fun snack, easy. Let's get started.
If you're looking for cool videos, then you're at the right place. From PC to the console, then leave a smile on your face. Junkyard, Junkyard. Get ready to watch a video from Junkyard.
Hey everybody, how you doing? If you have not had a chance as of yet, please hit that subscribe button. I put videos up all the stinking time of all kinds of stuff, as well as I stream Monday, Tuesdays, and Fridays live on Twitch. Link is down below. Please take a look and come join the fun. I love to talk to you live. Anyway, today we are going to make something simple. Today is, so we have a simple zucchini. It's zucchini time, it's summertime. Now ideally what you do is you take the edge off. Now you could go ahead and cut this, and you want to make sure that when you cut them you slice them in about 1/4 inch increments. But I also have a mandalay, so I figure I don't get a chance to use this too often, so I figured by cutting this, these come in perfect chips, got a nice ground in there. In fact, I think we're going to cut it a little bit thicker as far as this goes. And see how this makes nice little chips, nice little good thickness here, and some little nice and grooves and grannies so that the batter sticks to it. But let's get this sliced up. All right, so here we have our sliced zucchini. Then what we have is, all right, so now what we have is flour, egg, and breadcrumbs. Now this is an Italian breadcrumbs that I actually fortunately just had it in the house, but you use panko breadcrumbs, you could use Ritz crackers if you want to crunch those up. You know, it's just what you have to make a nice breading around the zucchini. All right, so what we're gonna do is we're gonna actually flour up the zucchini. And once you flour this up, what you're gonna do is give it an egg bath, and you want to make sure that you get the egg batter all the way around it, and then stick it into the bread. Just like that. Get a nice little coating on that, and you're good to go. Now right now I'm just putting it on a platter right here. Ideally you could do this, or you could go ahead and put it right onto, or you could put it right into the oil. Just since I'm recording now, it makes it a little bit simpler just to do this. All right, let me go ahead and get these all breaded up. All right, so we have these breaded up now. What we're going to do is we're going to take these and drop them into the oil. Now again, the oil, we have it at a medium-high heat. I'm going to drop it down to actually a medium heat. And we're going to cook those until they're crispy. Okay, it didn't take long. We're going to go ahead and flip those over. I had the heat probably a little too high, so we're going to let the heat cool down a little bit here for the next round. All right, perfect. So as you can see, they are crispy on both sides. We're going to put it on some paper towels and let them drain. All right, everybody, we got it plated up here. Beautifully golden. Now this, I probably did have the heat just a little bit too high, so on the next batch, I toned it down a little bit, but still, they're perfect. Got a little bit of ranch dressing on here. Let's give it a try. That's perfect. Soft on the inside, crispy outside. Nice little summer treat. Simple recipe, you guys. Just a handful of ingredients. Hopefully you give this one a try. This is Junkyard. Thanks for watching, and please remember, hit that subscribe button and come over to Twitch and let's have some fun. Thanks for watching, everybody. Needless to say, keep cooking.